The key to a successful wireless security installation is proper placement and testing of the sensors. Over the years we have always recommended running the Go/NoGo test on the 5800 wireless sensors before permanently installing them. The Go/NoGo test reduces the gain of the receiver by 50% and allows you to fault the device to determine if the signal is adequate at half power. The reason this is important is based upon two things. First, we want to test the device in a worst-case scenario. Second, the check-in signal from the sensor broadcasts at only 70% of the alarm signal power, therefore, if it works at 50%, it should work at 70%. The Pro A7 Plus control panel is built with two native receivers. The first is for the 6-2A wireless, using the 2.4 GHz band. The second is the WiseLink receiver. This is used for communicating with the motion viewers in the 900 MHz band. The signal strength shown when enrolling these two protocols is already displaying half-strength power, therefore, no special testing is necessary. The Pro Takeover module can be added to communicate with other wireless protocols. However, these are expected to have already been installed and tested with the previous system that is being removed. The Pro Takeover module will support competitor wireless protocols from DSE, 2GIG, Bosch, Interlogix, Qualsys, and Adenco 5800 series. The frequency bands supported are 319, 345, and 433 MHz. The Go/NoGo test we are referring to is a part of the Adenco or Honeywell Home 5800 wireless, using the 345 MHz band. So, if you are adding 5800 wireless to ProSeries, or if you just want to test existing 5800 wireless sensors when upgrading to ProSeries, how do you do it? Is it possible? I think it is. If you've asked that question before, you may have been told it is not possible. However, we just need to think outside the box. As you already know, we have a product called the 5800 repeater. This device has Go/NoGo testing built in. When the cover is removed, the LEDs are enabled and the repeater is in Go/NoGo mode. The yellow LED flashes to indicate that a signal is being repeated. If it is being repeated, it must be receiving it at half power. So, what does the setup look like? With the antennas installed in the right-hand side of the terminal block, place the repeater above, beside, or below the ProSeries control panel. It should not be permanently mounted. Next, have a partner trip your sensors to see if the yellow LED flashes. The 5800 wireless transmitters will repeat their transmission 10 times, so you'll need to wait a couple of seconds before testing with multiple trips. Residio has two recommendations for the Go/NoGo test. First, trip the sensor 4 times to ensure the signal is received, in this case repeated. If all 4 transmissions are received, it passes. If you receive less than 4 confirmations, continue to test a total of 10 times. If 7 out of the 10 are received, or repeated, then it passes the test. Otherwise, the sensor needs to be reoriented, relocated, or a repeater used halfway between the two. For convenience, I recommend that you keep the 5800 RP battery charged at all times. This could be powered from a switched 12-volt DC source in your service vehicle, or a 9-volt AC transformer at the office. This way, you'll not need to have a cord connected to the device in the home or business while testing. Remember, this test only works with the cover removed and the antennas installed. We hope you found this tech tip useful. If so, please share the information you learned here with others. Don't forget to search the Residio Premier Security Dealer Group on LinkedIn for more tech tips. They are posted most every Tuesday. Not a Residio Premier Security Dealer? Contact your local Residio District Sales Manager for information about joining the largest and longest running security dealer group in the industry for more exclusive content like this.